Start the third game. It's a battle between Barangay Tiglasan 1, Jubilee FC versus Barangay Paris Patang. First side of both teams. Let's go to the green court. This is a game 1 of semifinals. Game 1 na po tayo sa semifinals. Best of 3 series. Sino kaya ang unang makakapuntos sa semifinals na ito? Game 1 po tayo. The third game is a battle between Tiglasan 1 versus Barangay Paris Patang, and our tonight's leader is Sir Wally Gilasa, and our second referee Sir Chris Levan Perez, and of course our commissioner, no other than Sir June Amado from Lingayen. And now Recap. Baru kayo isip dito na. At ang babantay bugaw. At ngayon, bukod tangi, number 13. Bigay kay number 3, Gaspar, using the glass. 2 points on Gaspar. At ngayon, number 19, Madrid. Madrid, bigay kay number 10. And number 10 is Tayo. Back to Madrid, and Madrid, Radagasa on the middle. 2 points on number 19, Madrid. At ngayon, number 13, Bugod. Bugod to Gaspar again. Nice assist of Bugod to Gaspar. 0-3. Back-to-back 2 points on number 0-3. Gaspar on Barangay Paris Patang. On number 19, nag-isa sa liberty score. Number 19, Madrid. Madrid ngayon, ibibigay kay number 10 is Tayo. Magkakataan ba? 2 points on is Tayo. Number 10, for all. Bukod pa rin ang kanilang laban. At ngayon, number 13, Bukod. Good retro. It's a lucky bounce of Bukod, number 13. 2 points on number 13. At ngayon, number 19, winning the ball. Tulis tayo. Kalimling. Kalimling ngayon. Nagtuloy. Kalimling again. No basket. But there is a foul. Foul number 30. Abalos. First personal foul. And first team foul. At ngayon, number 0-2, Gaspar. To Chua. Chua, balik kay Gaspar. Kung nakuha niya number 10 is Tayo. Nagmamadali. Using the glass, 2 points on his Tayo. And number 0-3, Gaspar. Gaspar ngayon to Bukod Tangi. Titira ng press, but no basket. And lane violation by Paris Patang. At now number 19 to number 10 is Tayo. Is Tayo now, winning the ball. Is Tayo pa rin. Is Tayo looking for the receiver. To Kalimling. Kalimling at pumili. It's a 2 points on number 5, Kalimling. At ngayon, number 0-3, Gaspar. Gaspar now to number 13, Bukod Tangi. At Bukod. Bukod pa rin. Baikot ang Gloria. 10 second to shoot. Number 9. Makaroset si number 9. 2 points on number 9. And that is Andesa of Barangay Paris Patang. Time remaining 5 minutes and 26 seconds. At ngayon, Madrid ngayon. Madrid pa rin. 2, number 5, Kalimling. 10 second to shoot. Turn around. Baikot ang Garza. No basket. Makukuha pa rin. Number 30, Avalos. And there is a foul from number 07. Chua. First personal foul. Avalos to number 19, Madrid. Critical jumper. No basket. At makukuha pa rin Kalimling. Nabitawan, number 07. But there is a whistle. Foul number 19. Side inbound by number 03, Gaspar to number 13, Bukod. Bukod pa rin, holding the ball. So, number 9, Andesa. Mahigpit ang guardia ni Abalos. 10 second to shoot, and Bukod, side step. No basket, and number 19 defensive rebound. Pass to number 21, Soriano. Easy 2 points on number 21, Soriano. Our official score is 10-8. 2-point lead of Poblacion 1. At ngayon, number 07, Chua. Time out, Barangay Palos Bataan. And time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds. And back to the ball game on this first quarter. Still, our official score is 10-8. Balkatan mo ba? Pamimunis for dito. Balkatan nyo lang ba? Tanong ka ninyo. At now, number 21, Soriano. No basket. Soriano pa rin. Makukuha ni number 14. Number 14 to number 03, Gaspar. At Gaspar, nagmamadali. 2 points on Gaspar. 10 all. Our official score is 10 all in this first period. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Time remaining. And now number 10 is Tayo. And looking handle on Gideon Street. Substitution, Bukod is out. Replaced by number 29, Martinez. Another substitution. And this is out. Replaced by number 30, Bautista. And inbound by number 13 to Gaspar. And Gaspar ngayon, winning the ball. Gaspar to number 07, Chua. Chua to number 14. Long pass. At ngayon, number 10 is Tayo. It's a traveling violation. 10 all in this first quarter. At number 29, Martinez. At makukuha. Bola sa GP Laurel Street. The Poblacion 1. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Time remaining. And number 19, Madrid to number 21. Back to number 19, Madrid. At Madrid ngayon, hanap ng diskarte. Di diretso, nabibitaw ng bola, but saved by number 5. And saved again by number 10. On number 10 is Tayo to number 5. 10 seconds to shoot, no basket. And for the offensive rebound, and looking to handle on Poblacion 1. Turn over Tayo. Bola ng Barangay Palos Bataan. Number 29, Martinez. And Martinez ngayon, diretso to number 13. Makukuha ni Abalos. Abalos to Madrid. And Madrid ngayon, leading the ball. Madrid pa rin. Strong guarded by Martinez. And Madrid. At nakapigan ng bola. And single pa rin tayo. Substitution. Number 14 is out, replaced by number 12, Chua. And now 13 seconds on the second, 13 seconds on the second, number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. And number 19 to to number 30. Abalos. 5 seconds to shoot. And number 10, Abalos pa rin. Perimeter jumper. Basket. Ay tayo rin. Number 10. At ngayon, number 29, Martinez. Diretso si Martinez, but most of the handle. Makukuha ni Abalos to number 5. Kalimlin. And Kalimlin pa rin. And there is a whistle foul number 03, Gaspar Morales. 2 minutes and 10 seconds time remaining. 18 seconds on the shot clock to number 5. Kalimlin. Kalimlin to number 19. Napabayaan. 2 points on number 19, Madrid. And our official score is agad ka mulang tumutay score. Anako, 14-10. At number 1, Morales to number 30, Bautista to number 29, Martinez. And Martinez to Chua on the side. 5 seconds. At ngayon, number 12, Chua, wala pa rin. Makukuha ni number 30, Abalos. Abalos to number 19, Madrid. And Madrid ngayon, leading the ball. Number 19, Madrid pa rin. It's strongly guided. Diretso, number 19, perimeter jumper in Madrid. Makukuha ni number 12. And from number 30, Bautista. No basket. At dalawa sila. Makukuha pa rin ang bola. Tunamulan Morales. And 2 points on Morales. 13-12. 2-point lead on Barangay Poblacion 1. At ngayon, number 10 is tayo. Is tayo pa rin. Gagawa ng diskarte. 1 minute time remaining. And there's a whistle. Number 7. Blocking foul. Second, personal foul. And 58 seconds. Time remaining. And 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And number 19 to number 30. It's a block. At ngayon, makukuha the direction number 30, Bautista. 2 points, 50 seconds. Time remaining. The block score po tayo. 14 all. At number 10 is tayo. 40 seconds. Time remaining. So, and there's a whistle foul number 30. Avalos. Bautista rather. Running for penalty. Avalos. Inbound to number 5. Kalimlin. Kalimlin now to the left. And there is a whistle foul number 30. Second personal foul on the lane on this first quarter. At ngayon, Kalimlin on the free throw area. Free throw of Kalimlin. It's basket on the second throw of number 5. Kalimlin. Split charity of Kalimlin to number 12. At 30 seconds, time remaining. Nakagabang bola to number 1, Morales. And this is the handle. 23 seconds, time remaining. Shot clock is off. At ngayon, number 10. 20 seconds, time remaining. It's tayo to number 5. 15 seconds. At nakagabang bola. 10 seconds. It's a block. It's a block number 14. Passable ngayon kay number 32. 5 seconds. It's an offensive foul of number 30. 2 seconds. Only 2 seconds. Third personal foul. And number 10 is Taya for number 21. There's no basket. And that's the end of the first quarter. Our figure score is 13. This basket on the second throw of number 13, Bukod.
Asilok tayo, balong dyan.
Split charity Bukod. Makukuha ni number 1, Morales to Bukod. Nice assist of Morales to Bukod Tagi. And number 28. 22, Dumantay pa rin. Winning the ball. And Dumantay, perimeter dropper, no basket. Yan, bola. Mapupunta sa barangay Palos Patang. Side inbound by number 4 to number 13, Bukod. At Bukod pa rin. Mabibitawan ng bola. Makukuha ni number 4. The direction, number 28. And loses the handle. Substitution. Dumantay. And number 04 is out. Replaced by number 21, Soriano. And number 11, Dumantay. And number 24, Diluna. Ibibigay. Nakukuha ni number 1, Morales to number 30, Bukod. It's a basket for Bukod. Ang isasaniban by score. Our total score is 25-19. 6 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Palos Patang, turned around by number 20. Bola pa rin ng Barangay Poblacion. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds on the shot clock. And inbound by number 21, Soriano. And Soriano looking for the receiver. Nakukuha ni number 13, Bukod. The direction alone, Bukod. No basket. At ngayon, number 21, Soriano to number 11, Dumantay. Is strongly guided. Dumantay pa rin using the blast. No basket. At same ball pa rin tayo. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 11, Dumantay. Looking for a receiver to number 24, Diluna. 10 seconds to shoot. No basket. Maagaw ni number 1, Morales. Bigay kay number 13, Bukod Tangi. Strongly guarded by Sayana. Bukod, no basket. Makukuha pa rin ang bola ni number 29. But naagar ang bola. And number 30, running shot, no basket. And number 11, 2 points on number 11, kumantay. Martinez to number 1, Morales. At Morales ngayon, diretso. 2 points on number 1, Morales. 3 minutes and 10 seconds time remaining. At number 24, Buluna to number 11, Dumantay. At Dumantay pa rin. Diretso, strongly guarded by Martinez to number 24. Titira ng press, no basket. Nakukuha ni number 4. At number 4. Diretso si number 4. Ibibigay kay number 29. Martinez, nabibitawan. But saves it out. 2 points on number 29. Martinez. And our official score is 29-21. Walong puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Talos Patang. At ngayon, number 11, mga gabang bola. Number 11, nagpililit. Dumantay, no basket. And Manson, no basket pa rin. And Manson, wala pa rin. Magagawa ng bola. And it's a head ball. Tumbal pa rin tayo sa substitution. Sige. Only 9 seconds. Number 19 to number 10 is tayo. Diretso is tayo. No basket. Makukuha ni number 07, Chua. And Chua to number 1, Morales. At Morales ngayon, winning the ball. Morales to number 07, Chua again. It's a traveling violation by number 07, Chua. 2 minutes and 4 seconds time remaining substitution. Number 4, Padilla is out, replaced by number 30, Bautista. At number 10 is Tayo. Winning the ball. Inside pass to Kalinlin. No basket, Kalinlin pa rin. And there's a foul number 1. Morales, number 1. First personal foul of number 1. Substitution. Number 13, Bukod is out, replaced by number 03, Gaspar. And number 11, Kalinlin, mahigpit ang guardia to Madrid on the side. It's a basket for number 19. 2 points on number 19. At ngayon, number 03, Gaspar to number 9, Andesa to number 13. Gaspar pa rin, balik kay number 9, Andesa, titira ng press, no basket. At makukuha ni Soriano to Estayo, tamang-tama kay Estayo. 2 points on number 10, Estayo. 29-25 yan. At number 1, Morales, very little jumper. 2 points on number 1, Morales. 31-25 yan. 31-25. 25 lang yung GP Laurel. At ngayon, number 19, Madrid twist tayo. Tayo ngayon, strongly guarded by number 03. 15 remaining. At ngayon, number 30, Bautista to number 1, Morales. And Morales back to Bautista. 45 seconds, time remaining. No basket. Number 21, Soriano. At Soriano ngayon, diretso number 21, Soriano. And positive handle, 35 seconds, time remaining on the second period. And inbound by number 1, Morales to number 03, Gaspar. At Gaspar ngayon, strongly guarded by number 11 to number 1, Morales. Inside pass. At nilabas ang bola. Number 9, Andesa to number 03. Black ang inabot kay Madrid. 20 seconds, time remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. No basket. At makukuha ni number 10, Estayo pa rin. 5 seconds. At diretso na yan. And that's the end of the second period. 31-27. 4 na puntos ang kalabanan ng Barangay Talos Patang laban sa Barangay Poblacion. Third, personal foul, warning for foul out on number 30. 14 seconds on the shot clock, inside pass. At makukuha pa rin number 20, 10 seconds to shoot. And number 19, Madrid for 3. No basket. Makukuha ni number 9, Andesa. Andesa to number 30, Bautista. Inside pass to Chua. At Chua, bigay kay number 9. Napakaganda sana. Pero no basket. Number 28, Dumantay. Diretso, Dumantay. Running shot, but no basket. Mag-aagawa ng bola. Makukuha ni number 30, Bautista to number 9, Andesa. Andesa pa rin, diretso, running shot. Nagpasabit pa ng foul. Basket card sa the referee. And foul number 10. Pushing foul, that is tayo. And for the bonus free throw of number 9, Andesa. Yes, no basket. Foul number 7, holding foul. Yes. Chua. Personal foul. And first team foul on this third quarter for Barangay Palos Patan. And number 10 is Tayo. Is rounding guarded by Gaspar. Nawawala ang bola kay Tayo to number 9, Andesa. Matatapit ang bola. At ngayon, number 19, Madrid. Madrid pa rin, nakuha ang number 29. And there is a foul number 19. Lacking for 19, personal foul, and first team foul. And second team foul. Madrid is out, replaced by number 11, Dumantay. Ang ipasa sa Dumantay score, our official score is 33-27, Bangkawan Nilabat. No basket. Makukuha ni number 5, Kalibling to number 10 is Tayo. Nagpasabi pa ng foul, basket count, second referee, and foul number 1, pushing foul. Second, personal foul on number 1, Morales. And for the bonus free throw of number 10 is Tayo. There's no basket. Makukuha ni number 9, Andesa. Andesa ngayon. For number 03, Gaspar. Makukuha ni number 04. Ibibigay kay number 28, Dumantay. Diretso. Dumantay. 2 points on number 28. Dumantay. 33-31. Baba sa 2 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Palos Patan at number 1, Morales. Morales pa rin. Matatapit ang bola. Foul number 10. Hacking foul. Warning number 10 for the taking of foul. Warning on number 10 for the taking of foul. Second, personal foul, substitution. Another substitution, sige, tawag Lara. Number 4 and number 10 is out of place by number 19 and number 30. And imbang by number 03, Gaspar to number 1, Morales to number 03. 10 seconds to shoot. And 2 points on number 03. Akyat sa 4 na puntos ang abante ng Barangay Palos Patan ng number 19, Madrid. Madrid pa rin. Moving the ball. Hahanap ng diskarte. To number 28. To number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. No basket. And pass break ngayon kay number 03. And takes. No basket. At nakukuha ni number 19. Madrid. And Madrid on the leader. No basket. Makukuha pa rin. And Madrid pa rin. On the side naman, Madrid. No basket. At pinapit ang bola. And there's a double foul. Number 1. Number 5. Double foul. Number 5 on Kalibling. And number 1, Morales. Five minutes time remaining in the third quarter. Number 1, third personal foul, Morales. Number 5, first personal foul. And 2 points on number 11. At ngayon, number 29, Martinez to number 1, Morales. Bigay kay number 9, Andesa. Running shot, no basket. At nakukuha ni number 5, Kalimlim to number 11. Bumantay to Madrid. Didiretso si Madrid. 2 points on Madrid. Then next score po tayo, 35 all on this third quarter. At ngayon, number 03, Gaspar to number 1, Morales. Pass to Martinez. And flagging in violation. Time out, Barangay Talos Bataan. Ang buong committee ng First Arena LBC ay nagpapasalamat sa former kagawad ng Barangay Tubor at the same time. Marulan Sir Alvin Diliwan.
Pero mas yung gusto mo ka pa.
Back to the building. 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Time remaining 35 all. Number 28 kumantay to Madrid. And Madrid again. So, and this number 4. First, personal foul of number 4, Padilla. And inbound by number 30 to number 5. At magagawa ngayon, number 9, Andesa to Martinez. At number 11, Bumantay, Didiretso. No basket, makukuha pa rin ni number 11, Bumantay. Masyadong malalim, makukuha ni Andesa. Andesa to Bukod. At Bukod laban kay Madrid. And there's a foul number 19. Number 19. Third personal foul. And warning for penalty on Barangay Poblacion 1. 3 minutes and 47 seconds time remaining. First row, 13. Still no basket. And for the defensive rebound, number 19, Madrid. And Madrid again, rolling the ball. Looking for the receiver to number 28, to number 30, Abalos, 10 seconds to shoot. And for 3, then here's a basket of number 11, Bumantay. Laman ngayon ng 3 puntos. 8-33. At ngayon, gagawa pa ng 2 puntos si Bumantay.
Sabi naman
40-45. Number 9, Andesa. Masyadong mataas. Loses the handle ng Barangay Talos Bataan. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. 40-45. 5 puntos ang kalamanan ngayon ng Barangay Poblacion 1. And number 11 for long two but no basket. And number 13, Bukod. At Bukod ngayon, Didiretso. But it's a double shooter. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Time remaining.
Oh, ibaban.
Alam pa.
Oh, ibaban.
Pasok.
Number 19, Madrid. So number 28, Bumantay. And Madrid. Madrid pa rin. Ibibigay niya kay number 32. No basket. Makukuha ni number 9, Andesa. Andesa pa rin. Strongly guided by Avalos. So number 29, malilibre ba? To Bukod. A nice roll of Bukod. Number 13, 2 points. 40-37, 3 puntos. Ang abante ng Barangay Poblacion 1. Number 28, Bumantay. At Bumantay pa rin. Leading the ball. Strongly guarded by Bukod. 10 seconds to shoot. At number 11, bigay kay number 5, Kalimlim. And foul number 4. It's a blocking foul of number 4, Padilla. Second personal foul, substitution. And warning for penalty. Or Barangay Talos Bataan. And inbound by number 19 to number 5, Abalos. Abalos, hanap ng gusto. 10 seconds to shoot. And Madrid, tuturo ng press. No basket. And there is a foul number 13. And that is Bukod. Number 13. First personal foul at number 13. And penalty situation on Barangay Talos Bataan. 1 minute and 57 seconds time remaining. Anulig and Barangay Tubor. Napakagandang laro na naman yun. At ngayon, number 30, Avalos. This basket. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Time remaining. And number 29, Martinez. Martinez pass to 07 to ibibigay, makukuha ni Madrid. Madrid to Style, intercepted by Martinez. Martinez pa rin, number 29 to number 9. Ang gasa, masyado na labas. Makukuha pa rin. Block ang ni Martinez. At saves the ball, but number 13 ngayon. Runs out. There's a foul, foul number 11. Pushing foul of number 11. Personal foul and penalty situation. Substitution. Martinez is out, replaced by Gaspar. At Bugod on the free throw area. Free throw on number 13 is basket. On the second throw on number 13, Bugod is also basket. 31-38. 41-39 rather. 2-point lead of Barangay Poblacion 1. And number 10 is Tayo. Looking for the receiver. Si Kaliling. At Kaliling ngayon, turn around. It's a basket count, served by the referee. And foul number 4. Guilty of putting foul number 4. Hey, personal foul. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Time remaining. On this third period, for the bonus free throw, is basket for number 5, Kaliling. At ngayon, number 13, Bukod. At Bukod pa rin, is strongly guarded by number 11. Didiretso, makakalusot, dahil nandun si Madrid. Makukuha ni Kaliling. Didiretso, number 10, is Tayo. No, basket. And rebound by number 4, Padilla. At number 11, bumantay to number 5. Nice assist of number 11. 30 seconds, time remaining. And number 33. 30 seconds, time remaining. At doon, didiretso, number 5, Kaliling, no basket. And number 13. Didiretso na 20 seconds. Number 13, no basket. At number 10 seconds. Time out, Barangay Poblacion 1. On this third period, Avalos to number 10. Inside pass to number 5. 5 seconds. No basket. Kaliling pa rin for the putback. No basket. And that's the end of the third quarter. Our season score is number 13. Bukod to number 30. Bautista. And Bautista pass to number 33. Titira ng press. No basket. Pero pasa pala yata yun. At ngayon, number 30. Bautista pa rin. Offensive foul. Foul out. 5 fouls. And very sorry, number 32, 5 fouls. Fouled out. Number 32, substitution. And number 30. Replaced by number 07, Chua. At ngayon, number 11. Kung number 28, Dumantay. At Dumantay pa rin. Looking for the shooter to number 11, Dumantay. For 3. Then it's a 2 points on number 11. At ngayon, number 1, Morales. Morales pa rin. Bukod. For 3. Bang! Dinawi ka agad. Napahiyaw tuloy ang bench ng Jupi Laurel. At ngayon, number 28, Dumantay to Soriano. And Soriano to number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. And number 11, no basket. Makukuha for the putback, still no basket. And Avalos for the follow-up. 2 points on Avalos. At ngayon, number 1, Morales. And Morales pa rin. Diretso Morales. It's a basket. 2 points on Morales, number 1. 53-44. Siyam na puntos ang abante ng Poblacion 1 laban sa Barangay Palos Patang ang number 28 bumantay to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. No basket for this time, but there's a foul number 30. Pushing foul, number 30. And number 29, Martinez. At Martinez pa rin to number 03, Gaspar. At Gaspar, clearing the ball. Gaspar to Bugod. At Bugod ngayon. Didiretso, makakalusot ba? Nakakalusot! Si Bugod Pani! 53.
Kailangan niyo. Wala kami tinda.
83-26. 7 puntos ang hinahabol ng Barangay Palos Patang. And for 2, no basket. And defensive rebound ng number 29, Martinez. Diretso, Martinez. No basket. Makukuha ni number 28. Bumantay. Diretso, bigay kay Abalos. Last move. No basket. Number 1, Morales. Intercepted by number 21, Seriano. Dati sa block.
Block nila.
Nice defense on Barangay Palos Patang.
Maganda ano. Puro block po.
And number 21, Soriano, inbound. And looking for the receiver to number 74, Diluna. At Diluna, turn around. There's the basket on number 24. Last 7 minutes and 20 seconds, time remaining on this third and final quarter. On number 1, Morales. Morales pa rin. Tamang-tama kay Gaspar. And loses the handle on Barangay Palos Patang. And now Barangay Poblacion 1 basketball. And number 28 Dumantay to number 24 Diluna. At number 30 Abalos. Didiretso. Basket on Abalos. Last 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Time remaining on this fourth and final quarter. Number 1 Morales to Bugod. At Bugod pa rin. Bugod ngayon, strongly guarded by Abalos. At Bugod, didiretso sa ilalim. No basket. Makakuha ng number 11, Dumantay. At Dumantay ngayon. At yung number 28, Dumantay. Looking for the receiver. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul of number 11. And second personal foul at number 11. And second team foul, 57-46. 11 puntos ang abante ng Poblacion. And number 1, Morales, didiretso. And current away, pero wala. Maguguha ni Diluna. And Diluna pa rin. Diluna to number 30, Abalos. Abalos, didiretso. No basket, makukuha ni Jerome Martinez to number 73, Gaspar. At Gaspar ngayon, but there's a foul number. Number 11, blocking foul. Number 11, third personal foul, substitution. Number 07, Chua, replaced by another Chua, number 12. Number 03, Gaspar. Gaspar to number 12, Chua. On the side, no basket. And defensive rebound on number 11. And number 11, Dumantay. Dumantay to number 28. And Diluna to number 21, Soriano. Back to number 11, Dumantay. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's a basket on number 11. 59-46. 13 puntos ang hinahabol ng Barangay Palos Patang. And Martinez, no basket. 57-48 score, ha?
Lamang kanina ang ano?
59-48 yan, 59-48. At ay panay score yun, ay so, our official score is Ayan, 59-48. 11 puntos lang ang abante. At ngayon, number 13, bukod sa number 1, Morales. Point 3, no basket. Makukuha pa rin ni number 12, Chua. Chua to Gaspar. And Gaspar back to Morales to number 29, Morales. 59-50. And number 10 is Tayo. Is Tayo ngayon. Is Tayo pa rin. Is strongly guided by number 12. Is Tayo. Moving for the receiver to number 5. Kalimlin. At Kalimlin. 10 second to shoot. Offensive foul on number 5. Number 5. Second. Personal foul on number 5. Kalimlin.
Uy, malaki ba
Inbound by number 12 to number 15. That's Bukod. And Bukod to number 12, Chua. Chua to Bukod. Tutira ng 3. Bang! It's a basket on Bukod. Tangi. At ngayon, number 10 is Tayo. Is Tayo ngayon. Strongly guided. Makakalisod ba to number. And number 04. 2 points on number 04. 61-53. 8 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Talos Patang. Didiretso. Mabibitara ng bola. And number 10 is Tayo. 52 points on is Tayo. 63-53. 10 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Poblacion 1. Martinez, number 29. To number 03, Gaspar. To number 1, Morales. Papasa kay Bukod. Miscommunication with Bukod Tangi. At number 10, holding the ball, number 10 is Tayo. Is strongly guided by Chua. And number 10 is Tayo. Looking for the receiver. To number 5, Kalimlin. Kalimlin ngayon, hahanap ng diskarte. So number 10, 10 second to shoot. Number 19, Madrid. Nakalusot. 2 points on Madrid. 65-53. And number 13, Bukod. Hacking foul, number 4. Number 04. A warning for penalty on GP Laurel.
Diba nabuwa sila?
Number 2. On the second throw. Still no basket. At bola pa rin ng Barangay Talos Patang. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And number 12, Chua. Looking for a receiver to number 03. No basket. Dalawa sila. Makukuha ni Manson. Manson to Kalimlin. To number 10 is Tayo. Wide open. 2 points on is Tayo. 67-53. Napako sa 53. Ang Talos Patang. And number 1, Morales. Bigay kay number 29. That is a basket count set by the referee. And foul number 22. Illegal use of hand. First, personal foul. And penalty situation. And for the bonus free throw. There's no basket. Kuha ni number 19, Madrid. At Madrid ngayon.
Sir.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and last 2 minutes and 29 seconds. There's a basket on Madrid. At ngayon, number didiretso ngayon. Bola pa rin ng Barangay Talos Patang. 19 seconds. 20 seconds. And number 12, Chua nakadaan. No basket. Chua pa rin. Wala. Block ang inabot kay Kalimlin. At bola pa rin ng Barangay Talos Patang. Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds. 69-55. At number 10 is Tayo. Is Tayo pa rin. Is Tayo to number 04, Delphin. Last 2 minutes. And number 19, Madrid. Perimeter jumper. 2 points on Madrid. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Time remaining on this fourth quarter. At ngayon, number 1, Morales. Basket count set by the referee and foul number 22. Second, personal foul. And last 1 minute and 26 seconds. And for the bonus free throw of Morales, No basket. Makukuha ni Madrid, number 19. At Madrid ngayon. Moving the ball to number 10. Is tayo pa rin. Is strongly guarded. Di diretso nakalusot. Side step. No basket for the follow-up of Kalimlin. No basket to number 22. And there's a foul. Foul number 11. Dumantay. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Ang susunod na maglalaro, Barangay Anilid at Barangay Tudor. On the second throw, there's no basket. Makukuha pa rin ni Kalimlin. At Kalimlin. And there's a foul. Foul number 1. Blocking foul of number 1. Substitution. Fourth personal foul, number 22. Manson is out, replaced by number 24, Di Luna. No basket on the first row of number 5, Kalimlin. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds, time remaining. And basket for the second row, split charity of number 5. And 1 minute and 20 seconds, Bukod for 3. No basket, makukuha ni number 19, Madrid. At Madrid ngayon, bigay kay number 10. Estayo to number 19. Madrid. At Madrid pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Grand shot of Madrid. 2 points. Last 59 seconds. Time remaining. On this fourth and final quarter, number 73 Gaspar to number 29 Martinez. No basket. And bukod sa ilalim. No basket. Last 42 seconds. Time remaining. And number 5, Kalimlin. Discarte. Patay oras to number 19, Madrid. Last 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And number 10 is Tayo. Right, last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. And that's the end of the first game of Barangay Poblacion 1, GP Laurel Street, and Barangay Talos Padang on the first game. Panalo ang GPL. Congratulations, bukas. Kita-kits pa rin tayo. At kayo ay magiging last game kayo, GPL.